Do you need to submit your transcripts? The Ohio Department of Education is here to help. When submitting transcripts, there are multiple options to choose from to submit them with the department. Let's go through them individually. The first option available is to contact your college or university and ask them to send your official transcript directly to our office. The mailing address for transcript submission is Ohio Department of Education, Office of Educator Licensure, 25 South Front Street, Mail Stop 504, Columbus, Ohio 43215. The second option to submit transcripts requires that you verify that your college or university can send transcripts electronically through a secure transcript delivery network. These include eScriptSafe, Transcripts Network, or Parchment. Once verified that this is available through your college or university, contact the registrar's office and request that they send your official transcript directly to educator.licensure@education.ohio.gov. The third submission option is to contact your college or university and request that they send your official transcript to you. You may then put your transcript into a fresh envelope and mail it to our office. Please note that we do not return documents mailed to us, including official transcripts, so be sure that you do not need this transcript back. The final option available is to contact your college or university and ask them to send your official transcript to you. You may then open the envelope, scan and upload your transcript through your core dashboard. The Ohio Department of Education wants to ensure that everything goes smoothly when uploading documents. Here are some tips to help you submit your transcripts correctly. If you completed coursework outside the United States, you must provide a course-by-course analysis that includes your grade point average from an international credential evaluation service approved by the Ohio Department of Education. Remember, if you are scanning and uploading your official transcript through your core dashboard, the registrar's signature on your transcript must be visible, and all pages, including the transcript key or guide, must be included in the PDF. Do not submit grade reports, report cards, unofficial transcripts, or high school transcripts. Do not submit transcripts that are password protected or that will expire and lock. Do not mail photocopies of your transcripts to our office. Transcripts submitted incorrectly will significantly delay the processing of your application. If you have any further questions or problems during the submission process, please contact the Office of Educator Licensure at 877-644-6338 or email us at educator.licensure@education.ohio.gov.